Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. I love it when somebody takes my ideas and tries to make a pattern. And this is a pretty cool pattern he's trying to make, but he's having a problem and he doesn't understand what's going on. So I'm just going to, this is his drawing. And we emailed back and forth and I finally figured out what he's doing. I just did a video the other day on the graph paper tool. He set it at 12 by 12, so I'm going to set mine at 12 by 12. And then if you click off of it, pick with your pick tool, and we'll make that 12 by 12. So that makes there's 12 1-inch blocks. Now he's taken ellipse and he's making it 8 inches. Now he actually went and contoured it. And I'm going to show you a quicker, well, not quicker, but I'm going to go to effects and contour 1 inch, one time to the center. Now, instead of opening up your window, you could just take your ellipse and Control D. But the ironic part, you need to make it 6 to make it 1 inch all the way around. So then he's taken this coloration. I'm going to use blue too. I've already done it, but I figured out what he was doing wrong. So he did this, and there's actually you could actually rotate these around like I did, I think, a video yesterday. But that's not what this is about. He's having a trouble with something. Now he came in about here and he's getting all this blue. And then I find it easier just to go ahead and do your bigger spots and then come back and get the littler spots because you can zoom in and fill that in, fill that in. You just want that perfect circle. His problem is when he uses the weld tool to weld all these together, he's getting, let me just finish this. I'm just going to show you what's happening. He's pretty smart and he's just leaving out one step. So we need to weld that, but we need to get the graph paper tool out of the way and you just go and then you weld it because you want to weld it because you can see all these white lines in there where there's section. But this is what happens when he welds it. He gets that. Well, there's a telltale sign right there because you took this away, but you did not take that away. So I'm just going to nudge those two away and hit the circles and hit delete and then move those back. And now watch what happens when you weld it. The weld those two circles were causing a problem. So let's get rid of this and I'll just show you I finished. Whoa, you know what I didn't do? I didn't put the two squares inside. So I moved this, but I can hit P, put it back in the center. And you know what? I'm going to change it up a little bit. And I'm going to make this square bigger than he did. And just see the difference. Now I'm going to move this out of the way and I'm going to weld it again because I've got those new parts. Now I'm going to make it 4 inches by 4 inches. My ratio is locked, so I only have to type in 4 one time. My nudge factor set at 4, but because this one line he offset, which I like, Control D and make a duplicate, get the two-sided arrow and hold down your control button, and that continues your deal. Now we've got our nudge factor set on 4. I'm going to just hit plus and hit it twice. So that is continuing the object. Now, it doesn't really matter which way you don't have to mirror this because they're almost same up and down. I'm going to hit the plus key and go down actually, Control D, Control D. You know, I kind of like this one little box instead of my big box. But then if you will weld, there's still lines from where we join these together. You might not be able to see that on your monitor. But that's just where the hairline was. And then weld that together and you have that. Now if we put black box on it. It looks pretty good in yellow. Let's see what it looks like on, or in blue. Boy, it really pops out in yellow or even white. I hit white outline. I'm going to put no outline. So I don't know. You know, that other one is still here. Let's put this black box bigger. Which one is better, the big cube or the little cube? And this is something, if you pick more than 12 by 12, you could do a lot more lines. And see, like this bottom top part is matching up and making that square. It's a pretty cool design. It does me good when people try to take my video and then play with it. Anyway, so that's the problem with the weld. Hope that helped them, and thank you for watching.